All right, guys, doing a dryer vent here in Virginia Beach, and noticed that when I was taking this off of the back of the dryer, had a little bit of water here. So looked like there was some standing water in the bottom of this, and this is part of what's in here right now, and there's literally water standing in the bottom of this. So we are going to see if we can get this dryer vent. This is a definite hazard, so let's see if we can get this straight for these guys. That is just standing in there. Looks like it must be a nest of some kind. You guys stay tuned. We'll keep you posted. All right, so on a dryer vent cleaning, we normally don't have to use a truck mount. But right now, we're getting a little creative. We found a flex line that's running probably at least 30 feet up in the attic. It shouldn't be that long of a line that's running, especially flex. I mean, it just doesn't make sense. So we've got our vacuum up to this side. We've sealed off the other end. And what we're gonna try to do is cause this, because we went up in the attic and we lifted it in the, so what we're doing now is sealing this off to cause more vacuum to come this way to try to get the water out. Because we had a ton of water sitting in this tube, this flex tube up into the attic. And you can see the old tube that they pulled off. So that wasn't good at all. That one was completely stuck, but it was at least rigid the way it was supposed to be. So right now we're using our truck mount to extract water from the dryer vent line to make sure that it's clean and clear, so these folks can at least use this until they can get a rigid line put in place. So if you need innovative dryer vent cleaning along with many other services, check out our website, Connelly'sCarpetCleaningPlus.com.